What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So today in the lab, I just got the new mobile G3 in the building, right? I'm excited for this one. This one brings some very impressive specs for the price of $200. That's right. So let's go to the unpackage this and let me give you my first impressions of the new mobile G3. Wow, this is gonna be a good one. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So these are the components that comes in the box with the new mobile G3. This device has a 5.7 inch 18:9 aspect ratio, 720p screen here. We got the MediaTek processor, octa-core. We got 4G LTE. We got 4 gigs of RAM. Also, we have 64 gigs of internal storage. We have a fingerprint scanner on the back. And we got dual camera setup, which is 13 megapixels and 5 megapixel on the rear. And we have a whopping 13 megapixel front facing camera. So let's go down and peel the plastic off so y'all guys can hear the full effect. Absolutely love that. Love that, just love that. We got dual SIM setup here. All right, and also SD card setup here. So, man, look at that. That's pretty. Let's power this on, all right? And wow, that is nice. Look at the boot up screen. And wow, for $200, this is what you get. This is beautiful. Man, I am a sucker for design, and I can tell you right now that this phone reminds me of the Honor 8. This beautiful, gorgeous design phone. Man, All right, so let me go to set this up and let's check out the home screen. All right, so this is the home screen, 720p. And wow, man, that thing looks good. Oh man, look at that. All right, so this is a 720p screen, guys. And I'm gonna tell you that first glance, it absolutely look amazing on here. Wow. Okay, so 720p screen, and we're rocking Android 7.1.1. And at first boot, let's see if we can have any type of, yeah, we sure do. All right, so we do have some updates, as you can see right here. So it look like we got some security patches here, also some minor bugs and stuff like that. But yes, this device is running Android 7.1.1. But look at that, look how beautiful that screen is. All right, so let's go down and see how bright it is. All right, so the brightness is pretty good on it. That's nice. And it's look like pretty stock Android here. What about the cameras on this device? We got dual 13 megapixel along with a 5 megapixel camera. Let me show you guys some camera footage with this device, but you know how I like to do it. I like to always do it in comparison real quick. So I pulled out the Cobalt right here. This is also a $200 phone. And for references, I pulled out a high-end phone. I'm gonna put all three of these phones together real quick and show you guys the cameras in action. Check this out. All right, guys, so I'm at the park here and I got all three cameras in my hand. I have the new mobile G3. I have the Cobalt X18. And for reference, I put the iPhone 10 in so y'all can see the $200 phone versus the $1,000 phone. So there it is. And I'm gonna go audio real quick from side to side. I got full camera reviews coming out for the new mobile G3, but this is a quick camera comparison between all three devices. Now, I can tell you that what's shocking me about the new mobile G3, it can record at 4K, which is great. And the Cobalt X18 does not have that capability, but we all know that the iPhone does. So we got two $200 phones versus a $1,000 phone. But you be the judge for yourself. I'm out here in the sun, and let's look at that. Look at the quality of that plant. And there it is, right? That is nice. And I got full comparison videos also with a full camera review coming out for the new mobile G3. But I just want to give you a quick sample of how the phones work as far as the cameras. As you can see, you be the judge for yourself when looking at all three cameras. I got further testing to do with this device, but overall first impression, this is what I'm talking about. You know, 2018 is the year of notches and 18:9 aspect ratio, but man, about time we get a smartphone that looks good, feels good. 720p looks a little like a 1080p screen. Look at the text on that. So I'm overall impressed right now with this device. I got further testing to do, and man, I love this phone. I want to give a huge shout out to NUU for sending me out this phone for review. I'm having me some fun with this. This is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the new mobile G3 in the building. See you guys on the next video. I got a lot of work to do with this. Oh yeah, you gonna see this in a lot of videos. That's what I'm talking about. See you guys on the next video. Peace. That's beautiful.